Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to check if your PC is hacked. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks! Well, the first method is simply right-click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. Here we will see all the processes that are running on our PC at the moment. If we click on CPU, we will see the most important processes. You have to investigate about everything that is executing in your PC. That is to say, if you see some suspicious program, you will give right-click in it. Properties, Details, and here you will see all the information about this program. The important thing is to look at file description and then copyright. Normally, if it has copyright, is that it is a virus-free program. However, if we believe that the program is malicious, we can investigate about it by means of the name that comes out here. We will go to Google and we will look for Total Virus. Click on search and look for the name. In case they find any URL, they will put it here. And in case they have some file in their PC suspicious, they will upload it to here. This page is in charge of detecting malicious files. In case they manage to find some malicious program, and we want to eliminate it of the root, that is to say that everything is erased, or we want to force the uninstallation of a program, we will go to Google, we will look for Geek Uninstaller in Google. Click on Download, Zip, and click here, double-click on Geek, and here we will have all the programs that are in our PC. We will look for the one that we want to eliminate completely, right-click Force Removal. And the program is in charge to force the erasure and to eliminate all the files that remained. Well, another method is to go to here and look for Run. And here you will look for NetPlWiz. Here you can see if someone else has access to your PC. The idea is that there is only one user. Well, another method to verify that we are not hacked is to go to Google and search for Process Explorer. Click on Download. Click here. Here we will have these three files. Click on this one. Click on Options, virustotal.com, check virustotal.com, and here to the right, it must be all as it is, that is to say in white. If some number of this list comes out in red, it is probable that you are infected. Finally, to finish verifying if we are hacked or not, we will go to Google and we will look for Malwarebytes. Click here and run the installer. Install and wait. Then click on Open Malwarebytes. Click on Scan, and the program will scan your PC for infected files and vulnerabilities. Well, once finished, if it comes out like this, your PC should be protected. In case you get any infected files, you are probably hacked. My recommendations in case you are infected. First, try to recover all the valuable information from your PC and move it to a pen drive or upload it to the cloud. In case you don't know how to reboot your PC and need some time to learn how to do it, consider turning off your PC from the power to keep your data safe. If the video helped you, leave me a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.